everybody, so welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted anything last week, but I'm not gonna disclose anything at the moment, but you guys just have to wait for something very special launching very soon. So anyway, today I'm gonna give you guys this beautiful all matte eye look, and I've actually tested a lot of new e.l.f. Cosmetics products today. So you can say this could be like one brand makeup too, because most of the products I use today are all drugstore and they all are e.l.f. Cosmetics. So, and also you will see the first impression of me using e.l.f. Cosmetic foundation. I used this first time today. I have to say, really guys, I have to give a big shout out to this foundation, because when I was looking on YouTube, not many people are reviewing this, but maybe I'm a little bit late in the game. It's been in market for a long time, or I just didn't know, but I only came across recently, and it's such a nice full coverage foundation. Like, I'm wearing only one layer today, and can you see, like, my face is looking literally flawless. So I'm so happy with this foundation. Definitely a big shout out to e.l.f. Cosmetics because it's so affordable as well. I believe I got it from Shoppers. Did I? Yes, I did got it from Shoppers. So Shoppers don't carry e.l.f. Cosmetics in their stores, but if you go to Shoppers website, it's available there. So this was such a huge surprise. I am so happy with the way my whole look came out today. I just wanted everything super matte. I just wanted my whole eyes to be really matte and my face to be super glowy. And I have to tell you guys, like, there's so many new products from e.l.f. I used today. This highlighter, it looks like pretty chalky in the pan, and even when I swatched it, it looked a little bit chalky to me, and I was like, not really sure. But this is the only one I'm wearing today, and can you guys see how much my face is glowing? It's amazing. Seriously guys, you're gonna love this whole look. So if you want to see how to create this look, just carry on watching this video. And before you leave, if you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'll post a video you will get a notification. And hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I love you so much for all your continued support. Even when I'm a bit MIA from my social media, you guys still love me, still send me so much DMs and making sure I'm okay. That's really appreciating. So thank you so much for that, and enjoy this look, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye. Bye guys.
Hey ladies, so welcome back to my channel. So we're going to begin with a bit of a skincare, and we are starting with e.l.f. Cosmetics Prep and Hydrate Balm, following that with e.l.f.'s Poreless Face Primer. I'm actually really liking some of new e.l.f.'s products. This new thing I'm trying, and is from a brand called Beauty Crop, and it's their Glow Milk Highlighter. I have to say I am quite in love with this product. For foundation, I'm using e.l.f. Cosmetic Flawless Finish Foundation in shade Nude. This was my first time using this foundation, and oh my god, I have found a new favorite, especially a drugstore one. It's super full coverage, so if you're not a full coverage girl, you might not like it, but it is very nice foundation. For the bronzer contour, I'm going to use MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear in shade NC45, and for the concealer, I'm using e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Longwear Concealer in shade Medium Beige. And I'm just using my beauty blender and some of the MAC stippling brushes to just blend everything. I really like this concealer. It is again a super full coverage concealer, but it doesn't make you cakey, or it doesn't settle in your crease, so which is amazing. For the blush, for the base, I'm gonna use e.l.f. Cosmetic Monochromatic blushes, and this is in shade Berry. Absolutely love this one. Absolutely love it. I actually set it up with the powder blush too, but you really don't have to. If you don't want to, you can just apply it on its own, and it looks absolutely stunning. And I tried to blend it with my fingers first, but I felt like it blended more perfectly or more well with the beauty blender. For highlighter base, I'm using the Beauty Crop Glow Milk highlighter. As I said, it's super good. It's becoming my favorite. I'll give you more review about this one. For the setting powder, I'm using Milani Cosmetics setting powder in shade light to medium. I really wanted to try something e.l.f. cosmetic one, but I didn't have it. Like, I didn't have anything e.l.f. which helps setting the makeup, so I just have to use the products I have. And to set my rest of my face, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless setting powder. For the contour setting, I picked up this soft and subtle blush palette from e.l.f. The contour shade in this particular palette is a little bit light for my skin tone, but it still is amazingly beautiful. I really like the fact the way it's blended. Oh my god. Now I'm just picking up this blush palette from e.l.f. and I just mixed the two pink shades and just like set my blush with it, and I picked up the more warm bronzer tone from this palette to just deepen up my bronzer a little bit more. For highlighter, I've used Soft and Subtle highlighter, the face palette from e.l.f., and I just picked up the highlighter shade from the same palette and just topped up the base with this powder version. And just look at it, it looks pretty chalky and very dry, but look at the glow. I this is kind of like me having a 30-second moment of a shook when I'm just like, I didn't expect this from a product, but it just turned out to be better than my expectations. Now I'm just setting my face with my e.l.f. Cosmetics Dewy Skin Finish setting spray, and I did that step few times in my whole process. So I was just setting it after the foundation, after the concealer. This helps for your makeup to stay for a whole day. For lip liner, I'm using Rimmel London's lip liner in shade Berry, and for the liquid lip, I used what did I use? e.l.f. Cosmetics matte liquid lip. And for the eyes, I'm using e.l.f.'s matte in matte eyeshadow palette. Absolutely love this palette. It's all matte shades and they all are like earthy tones. So, but I did notice it had a bit of a fallout. That's why I just put shadow shield so I can do my eye look without messing up my rest of my makeup. So I just picked up the black shade from the palette to just deepen up my outer V, and now I'm just picking up more like a beigey shade on more a defined blending brush, and I'm just going to smooth out the edges. I'm just gonna take this particular shade from outer corner of my eye to inner corner of my eye, but not all the way in. I just don't want to close my inner corner. I just want my eyes to still look really big. So I'm just blending everything and just smoothing everything out with my with the beige shade. And I'm just gonna go over with my pencil brush to just make sure the black color is still super intense and it hasn't lost its intensity while I was blending, or it just didn't look too flat. So that's why I'm going back and forward with different brushes to make sure it looks nice and smooth. And now I'm just taking now I'm just basically going to follow the same steps for my lower lash line what I did on my lid, because I'm just going to match everything out. And now I'm picking up this really nice pink, it's kind of like a beige but with the pink undertone shade, and I'm just going to apply this on rest of my lid, and also going to take this shade a little bit towards or inside the black one, so it looks like a nice gradient instead of a flat eye look. It's just, I just want it looks like it's from black it went to smooth out to this particular shade. Now I'm just going to clean out the outer part of my eyes, and that this also helps to make your eye look more defined and more cat eye, because if you have made any errors, this particular step will literally erase all the errors, and you can just if any point you will feel like you need to fix anything, you can do while you have this setting powder on your eyes, because you can just go back and forward, and once you finish with everything, you just dust off the setting powder, and it literally give you that defined sharp edge. For mascara, I've used Essence Cosmetic Extreme Mascara. It's one of my favorites right now. It's so good. Literally, it's like if you don't need false lashes, or if you don't want to wear false lashes, this mascara could be for you, because it's just super intense, and it just makes your own lashes look like you're wearing falsies. I do go with at least 2 to 3 layers though, for to get that sort of intensity, but I did put on a false lashes for this look as well. So but if I don't want it to, like if I just decide no, I don't want to wear falsies, then it still would have been looking perfectly well. As you can see right now, I'm not wearing falsies at this in this part. I'm just doing my hair, and after the hair I've applied my falsies, and I've used this the beauty company lashes from Amazon. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you have any questions, you can always ask me, and or just leave them in the comment section below, and I'm happy to answer all your questions. There are a lot of new products I tried in this video, especially from Elf Cosmetics, which really blew me off. The Glow Milk highlighter has been one of the best highlights in the whole video, because that highlighter really blew me off. So hope you guys enjoyed this look. See you next time. Love you all. Take care, and bye guys.